Welcome all, Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Saturday. It is September the 3rd. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. Randomed up our 6 remaining box and numbers. 13 is what we got. We did random team sales on your right. We already randomized the teams and customers, alphabetized the customers afterwards, bunches everybody's entries together. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Let me just double check chats. Hang on. Seattle SA for Minnesota Detroit. Seattle SA for Minnesota Detroit was offered, Paul. So Joe offered Seattle SA for Minnesota Detroit spot. All right, Paul said he's going to keep, Joe. Sorry. All right, here we go, guys. Paul's going to keep. Pop of your seal. Thank you for chiming in there, Paul. I appreciate that. All right, here we go, everybody. Well, bam, going to be a Baltimore hit. Ray Lewis, Beckett, Witness, hologram. Bam, that is a Stats jersey, folks. Bam, also going to be a Dallas hit. Beckett, Witness, also on that. For the Dak Prescott, guys. Dallas on the Dak Prescott. Well, also going to be the Chicago spot. Sorry, guys. All right, we know our hits. I'm just going to get my damn, I don't know why my camera keeps going out of focus there, man. Come on, camera. All right, but that is going to be the Michael Jordan, guys. 1989-90 hoops. Do you mind, Fat Cat? On that one, going to Chicago. All right, guys, again, Ray Lewis, stats jersey. It has the factory fold, guys. I'm just showing y'all the stats part of it there. I don't want to have to unfold that. It's got the factory fold still on there, so... All right, but Baltimore. Wow, well, Paul gonna take the Ray Lewis there. Very nice jersey, man. It's, you know, the stats are done. Doesn't have all the errant threads, everything. It's actually a really nice stat jersey. All right, also... to be the Dak Prescott, guys. And a Beckett Witness hologram on that. I don't know if they call these the Thanksgiving Days jerseys. I don't remember. If that's just the rag jersey or if that is a Thanksgiving Day. Again, I can't remember. I don't remember if the Thanksgiving Days also had the shoulders blue. Yeah, I'm not sure. Dak Prescott going to Dallas. Who has Dallas? Whoa, Golf God. I'm very sorry, everybody else, on that, guys. Golf stepping in last minute there with his keeps and fillers. Gonna take the Prescott from us. All right, then the Chicago spot for a little bit of filler hit there. Well, Pac-Man gonna take Michael Jordan. Hey, that went friggin' smooth for once. Alright, so that's going to Pac-Man. Alright, so Ray goes to Paul. Alright, Dak goes to Golf. Alright, Card goes to Pack. Alright, that's going to wrap up that one boxer, guys. Up to you whether we're going to be able to squeak out another one here. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. We usually go 6 days a week, guys. We'll usually take Monday off. You all have a very good night.